Hi friends, it's me Kiki. Today we're going to draw something super yummy, a popsicle with sprinkles. Grab your paper and your favorite pencil and let's get cozy. First, the popsicle's body. Start at the top and draw a big round curve down the side. Nice and slow. This is our ice cream. Now here's the fun part. The bite. Draw little bumpy curves, like someone took a big, yummy crunch. Who do you think took a bite? Halfway down, draw a wavy line all the way across. That's the melty, drippy part. Waves going up and down, nice and gentle. Now the stick. 2 straight lines going down and a little curve at the bottom to connect them. Easy peasy. How is your popsicle looking? If you need more time, pause the video right here. I'll wait for you. Time for sprinkles. Draw tiny little dashes on top. A few this way, a few that way. More sprinkles. Sprinkle, sprinkle everywhere. Don't they look yummy? And now, our favorite part. Somewhere between the sprinkles, hide a tiny heart. Shh, it's our secret. Let's color it in. I'm choosing soft pink for the top, creamy white for the bottom, and warm brown for the stick. You can pick any colors you like. Your popsicle, your rules. Wow, look at that. Your popsicle looks amazing. You did such a good job today. If you had fun drawing with me, ask a grown-up to find our coloring books at Kiki Coloring Studio. The link is right below the video. Or send us an email and we'll send you some sample pages. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.